hana, a flower. Hana, a nose. Oh, what is the difference? We can distinguish these two words when we add particle here. For example, when we add ga, hana ga, a flower. Hana ga, a nose. Hana ga, flower. Hana ga, a nose. So we can say hana ga kirei. A flower is beautiful. Hana ga kirei. A nose is beautiful. One more time. Hana ga kirei. A flower is beautiful. Hana ga kirei. A nose is beautiful. When we are reading sentences, we need to connect each word smoothly. We can read sentences in many ways as long as we maintain the pitch accent of each word. For example, about hana ga kirei, which means flowers are beautiful. Hana ga kirei. Hana ga kirei. Or hana ga kirei. Hana ga kirei. And about hana ga kirei, which means noses are beautiful. We can read it as both hana ga kirei and hana ga kirei. It's not natural. Hana ga kirei is not natural, but it's okay. Don't worry about them too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. We can understand the meaning by the context. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。